Hello friends, welcome to Creators Talk. This is Amruta and today we are going to learn 6 pencil sketching techniques. Before we start with the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please make sure you subscribe my channel and if it is helpful for you, then please make sure you like it and share. So come on, let's start. Here are some pencils that we need to get different shades like HB, 2H, 2B, 4B, 6B, and here is the stump for smudging. First technique is called hashing technique. In this technique, we shade with the help of some lines. For the first square, I am using 6B pencil. Pretend that there is no light coming in, so we are gonna make it completely dark. For the second square, I am starting with 4B pencil. Pretend that the light is coming from top right corner of the square. I'm gonna use 2B pencil now because as we move towards light, our shading should get lighter. And on the opposite side of the light, it should be really dark because there will be a shadow. Let's use 2H pencil here to get really light shade. Let's start working on the third square. Pretend that there is a bright light coming through. Second technique is cross hashing technique. In this technique, we'll start with same like hashing technique. We'll keep working with some lines. And now we'll add few more lines in the opposite direction. That is why it's called cross hashing. Third technique is called tonal or counter hashing. This is also kind of similar like hashing technique, just the difference is in tonal hashing we have to keep working according to the shape. Fourth technique is called stipple technique. In this technique, we will shade with the help of few dots. Wherever we want dark shade, we will keep adding more dots there. And to get a lighter shade, we will just reduce the quantity of dots. Fifth technique is called scumble technique. This is pretty easy technique to work with. Mostly this technique is used while shading for the trees. In this technique, we'll hold our pencil like this and we will keep working with some circular shapes. Now the sixth and last technique. This is called smudging technique. In this technique we'll use a stump, or if you don't have a stump you can use a Q-tip. Hold your pencil horizontally and shade the complete square, and once you are done with the shading you can smudge it with the help of a stump. Just to make it even, we will smudge it out. And you can see the difference, how does it look after smudging. Friends, if you enjoyed my video, then hit the like button and share this video with your friends as well. And most important thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell button to get notifications about my videos. I will be back soon with more creative ideas. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.